precision guideways to robust table structures, and high-efficiency spindle systems, validated through advanced inspection and seamless multi-axis motion control. From the compact configuration to extended bed length scaling from 2000 mm to 8000 mm. STM delivers solutions built for every level of heavy machining.
Now recently I got SNT VMC machines and one double column. Now this machine performance is very nice. There is no issue with that.
STM machines have set the benchmark in quality, reliability and repeatability. The precision they deliver is unmatched, consistent, achieving an accuracy of ±5 microns. We are proud to have a setup of includes 26 STM CNC machines, which includes one double column machine also.